Breaking news tonight, the coronavirus forcing millions more Americans into virtual lockdown. Over 75 million people in New York, California, Illinois, and Connecticut.
Coronavirus cases climbing in nearly every corner of the country, topping more than 100,000 new infections for 3 straight days, each a new record. Overnight, Texas became the first state to hit 1 million infections. The outbreak in Minnesota, Indiana, and Illinois also reaching new highs. And this week alone, Utah shattered records for both cases and deaths.
The U.S. leads the world in coronavirus deaths, and as the crisis worsens,
there's a lot of, wondering if you're risking your life by going to work.
Critical shortages of
now to the coronavirus and the urgency for people to get vaccinated. State officials are growing frustrated as their supply of the vaccine really dwindles at this point. This comes amid new concerns about the impact of the virus
new fears the UK variant could be deadlier in addition to being more transmissible. That strain, now in nearly half of the states, is believed to be